back with Chapter 1, the meaning of extraordinary, and we're going to continue on to the section. Remember, success does not make you extraordinary. The common misbelief that success makes you extraordinary is pure bullshit. Although most extraordinary people are successful in life, the amount of success a person accumulates in life is not what makes a person extraordinary. Success is a byproduct of achieving your goals. In conclusion, achieving goals, and not just merely working towards them, is a trait of extraordinary people. This suggests that most people do not achieve the goals they set for themselves. The reason why most people do not achieve their goals is mainly because once they identify what they want to achieve, they either forget about them or lose interest in achieving them. This is not at all what extraordinary people do. You cannot have true success unless you achieve your life goals, and most people miss the mark or they settle for less. Extraordinary people achieve their life goals. Even more profound than this, extraordinary people strive to accomplish what they plan. Therefore, in order to achieve life goals and create success and abundance, you must be extraordinary. This is only by default, because creating success and abundance is a trait of an extraordinary person. Being extraordinary is an entire way of living, thinking, acting, doing, and also feeling, believing, seeing, and understanding the world you are participating in. Success is the achievement of a desired goal. Extraordinary people do things that dramatically influence how many goals they achieve. An example, Donald Trump, one of a few billionaires in the world today, had this to say about success in one of his phenomenal books, Think Big and Kick Ass. He says, "It is not easy to explain in a couple of words, but I have noticed that all these successful people have traits that set them apart from the pack. Their attitudes, their actions, their persistence, their passion, plus a whole slew of other qualities. To be successful, you have to separate yourself from 98% of the rest of the world. There is a formula, a recipe for success that the top 2% live by, and that you too can follow to be successful. You have to get out of the ideal fantasy world you read about in magazines and see on TV. Most people are not cut out for this. You have to deal with a tremendous amount of pressure. You have to think large and be creative to solve big problems that scare the crap out of most people. Nobody is going to hold your hand and help you along. You are on your own. You have to be able to bend but not break. Virtually all self-made millionaires and billionaires such as Bill Gates, Oprah Winfrey, and Walt Disney had the ability to think big and kick ass. Right? So the formula is being extraordinary. The formula that he mentioned above that the 2% live by is that they're extraordinary. They do extraordinary things. The formula mentioned above that the 2% of people, the 2% of the top of people use is their powers that make them extraordinary. Being extraordinary can be considered as a formula for success because it is a mixture of living, thinking, acting, doing, and also feeling, believing, seeing, and understanding the world you are participating in, which can cause you to become successful. Therefore, we can conclude that being extraordinary is not at all about being successful. It is about doing something out of the ordinary. Success comes in many ways and forms. What's interesting is that most successful people have very similar qualities. Robert Chin says that, you guys. And that's it. That was Chapter 1. So Chapter 2 would have been what extraordinary people do. Well, you guys, I will stop there, and I hope you enjoyed that sneak peek. And please comment, please share. Please let me know if you would like more things added in the book, or if you didn't understand something, or you really liked something. I would like quotes and comments, because they actually could be put into the book later on, so once I print it. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Once again, this is Rachel Canella. That was The Power to Be Extraordinary, Sneak Peek, Chapter 1. Thanks!